Hey there, car lovers! Welcome back to Car Crafters, where we dive into everything automotive, from reviews to guides to helping you make the best car choice. Today, we're looking at something we all care about: maintenance costs. Owning an SUV doesn't have to break the bank, and today, I'm counting down the top 5 SUVs with the lowest maintenance costs. Whether you're into weekend road trips or city driving, these SUVs will save you money on the long haul. Let's get started. Start from number 5, Subaru Forester. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Subaru Forester. Known for its reliability and solid build, the Forester offers affordable maintenance compared to other SUVs in its class. With its standard all-wheel drive and top-notch safety features, it's no surprise this one's a fan favorite. Subaru's parts are relatively inexpensive, and with fewer issues reported over time, your wallet will thank you. 4. Honda CR-V. At number 4, we've got the ever-popular Honda CR-V. This SUV has been a favorite for years, and part of that is because it's a low-maintenance superstar. Honda's reputation for reliability shines with the CR-V, offering minimal repair costs and long intervals between major service needs. Plus, with excellent fuel economy, this SUV is easy on your budget all around. 3. Toyota RAV4. Coming in at number 3 is the legendary Toyota RAV4. Toyota is known for making cars that just keep going, and the RAV4 is no exception. This SUV not only boasts impressive longevity, but also some of the lowest maintenance and repair costs in its category. Whether you're tackling daily commutes or weekend adventures, the RAV4 is easy on your wallet, and it's packed with tons of practical features. 2. Hyundai Tucson. Next up at number 2 is the Hyundai Tucson. If you're looking for a high-quality SUV without the high maintenance bills, the Tucson delivers. Hyundai's strong warranty coverage also means fewer out-of-pocket costs for major repairs. With an attractive design and user-friendly tech, it's not just a smart financial choice, but a pleasure to drive as well. 1. Kia Sportage. And the number 1 spot goes to the Kia Sportage. This SUV tops our list for its unbeatable combination of affordability, reliability, and incredibly low maintenance costs. Like the Tucson, the Sportage benefits from Kia's excellent warranty program, meaning fewer unexpected expenses. Its strong build quality and efficient engine make it an all-around winner for anyone looking to save on long-term ownership costs. So, there you have it, our top 5 SUVs with the lowest maintenance costs. These SUVs prove you don't need to sacrifice quality to save money on ownership. If you're in the market for an SUV that won't drain your bank account on repairs and upkeep, you can't go wrong with any of these. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video from Car Crafters. See you next time.